Little storyteller.
Whiskers the cat had soft gray fur and bright green eyes that seemed to sparkle when he was thinking. He held a little red light toy. This, he purred, his tail twitching gently, is a laser pointer. Blue the dog was a big, bouncy golden retriever with floppy ears and a wagging tail that could knock over lamps. Ooh, what's that? He barked happily, his tongue lolling out. Whiskers pointed the little red dot on the sunny wooden floor. See the dot, Blue? We watch it. He sat very still, his eyes calmly following the tiny light, but when Blue saw the red dot, his ears perked up. Woof woof! He pounced, trying to catch it with his mouth, but the dot zoomed away. He chased it in circles, barking excitedly. Whiskers sighed a tiny fluffy sigh. No, Blue, he said gently. We watch. It's like a little dance for our eyes. He moved the dot slowly, making it wiggle on a soft blue cushion. Blue watched the dot wiggle. His tail slowed its frantic wagging. He sat down, his head tilted, his big brown eyes following the little red light. He wasn't barking anymore. Whiskers smiled. He made the dot dance up the wall, then down again. Blue watched it go up and down, his eyes calm and still, just like Whiskers' eyes. Then Whiskers made the red dot disappear onto his paw. Blue looked at Whiskers, his tail giving a little thump-thump. Whiskers purred. Sometimes, Blue, he said, it's fun to chase, and sometimes it's nice to just watch. Both can be happy. Blue licked Whiskers' cheek with a big, wet lick. Whiskers giggled. It's good to try things in different ways.
Please subscribe. Thank you.